Drug-related crimes were the most recorded offences. The police arrested 12 suspects in connection with the possession and dealing of cannabis, cocaine, and mandrakes. Of these cases, a 51-year-old man from Etunda in Omasati was caught with over 2 kilograms of cannabis and cash amounting to over $46,000. A 24-year-old woman in Vergenoeg in Omaheke was arrested for dealing with cannabis valued at over $22,000. Violent crimes included 1 murder, 4 attempted murders, and 5 assaults. At Umalunga village in the Oshikoto region, a 32-year-old man assaulted his 55-year-old father, leaving him seriously injured, while at Swakopmund, a 27-year-old man attacked his former girlfriend with a broken bottle. Suicides were also recorded, with 3 deaths recorded in Okankola, Opuo, and Otjiwarongo. Stock theft was another common crime, with 1 incident each reported in Keetmanshoop, Omaruru, Oshikati, and Ochomise. Suspects unlawfully slaughtered livestock. Housebreaking, theft, and vehicle-related crimes were recorded involving 2 vehicles, 3 thefts from motor vehicles, and 2 housebreaking incidents. At Tsandi in Omasati region, suspects stole cash and a jackpot machine from a bar, while at Oshikati, vehicles were stolen from private residences.